Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar is holding on to its extended gains after its course correction earlier in the week from 75.25.35 after posting a low of 75.31, now focuses on the resistance, as you can see here, at 76.35. After the overnight rise, did print a high of 76.38 before slightly declining. Now recovering over a full cent, now questions whether we can go higher. Now with that being said, the US dollar is weak, therefore could merit some bullish movement in the next 12 to 24 hours. From the technical point, the stochastic and the histogram is holding on to a bullish case, and there's still a little bit more room to the upside to the RSI. A decisive break of 35, which I feel may come through, will look towards 76, 80, 90 and reassess from there. Support on the day holds at 75.75. Well, the euro is still not backing away from that resistance at 118.50.70 after posting a high of 55 overnight. Now, from what I can see is that the technicals are still holding to a slightly bullish case, and the dollar index did actually descend beneath the 93 handle and printed a low of 92.98. The support is still seen crucial at 92.55.80, and if we do see a break beneath there, this would also on the flip side see a break of 118.70, see the euro rally up towards 119.5. But before we go there, the RSI is a little bit on the softer side, so I do expect to see the market be contained by any rally by 118.50.70, and also the market will be slightly quiet due to the fact that we had Thanksgiving in the US. Support on the day is now seen at 117.65 minor and firmer at 116.90, which is the trigger level to the downside. Well, the dollar yen is pretty much quiet overnight due to the facts of the US Thanksgiving, and still, however, fails to take out the top side of 111.65.80 to reinstate the bullish case. At this stage, I'm looking for a fall towards 110.80.90 with an objective seen at 109.50.60 until we get a break to the upside. The pound did nudge slightly higher overnight but failed to sustain and dropped back towards that 133 handle. Still clinging to it. The market now needs to take out the support at 132.60 to get further bearish implications in play and give a target of 131.30. While we remain above 132.60, the threat is still to the upside. Well, the gold is still holding on to its gains this week after seeing the US dollar plummet nearly 1% after the Fed reduced its expectations of its interest rate hikes in the coming next year. The dollar did suffer a big drop of 5 months and it did fuel the rally for the gold. Now looking towards the top side today, I'm looking for a move towards 94 and higher towards 97.99, which was the previous rejection. But do keep your stops tight because as you can see, we are a little bit vulnerable when the market does sell off. If we never get another rejection from 97.99, then we could see a fallback towards 79 to 81. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market did break above 58 and sustained above there. At this moment in time, I'm looking for a rise up towards 62, but I'm cautious because we are overbought. This is a weekly chart, and with the dailies as well as the weeklies, the market is overbought, but we are looking back towards this region that we saw mid-2015, around 60 to 62. Support on the day is seen at 57.5. So that wraps up for this week. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend that's ahead.